Anvil started as a book publishing division of National Bookstore in 1990, with a wide range of books like trade books, textbooks, reference books, and children's books. Anvil has an established nationwide dealer network with about 565 dealers in 60 key cities, like National Bookstore, Goodwill Bookstore, Rex Bookstore, Solidaridad, Central Bookstore, Popular Bookstore, Rustam's Gaisana Chain, Fairmart, Landmark, Page 1. Anvil is a 9-time Publisher of the Year, cited by Manila Critics Circle, recognized by MCC as a publisher that has proven that books can be both quality and commercially viable productions, and for consistency in its output in quality and number. Having put over 1,386 titles and won 130 awards from 1990 to 2008, Anvil has proven its own legacy as the largest and most progressive trade book publisher in the Philippines.